Hi guys, and welcome to my first video from home because we're all off school. And today I hope you're all safe and staying well. And today I'm just going to go over some of the, for my two classes anyway, I'm going to go over some of the PowerPoints that I sent you. And the first one I want to talk about is Sustainable Mumbai. And this is where we're looking at a bottom-up project. So we looked at Vision Mumbai, and that's top-down. But today we're going to look at a bottom-up. Now, I'm just going to go over some of the pros and maybe cons of the bottom-up project. Now, bottom-up project, I'm reading off some notes, is where people work together in a community to make improvements to their lives. People have a say in what the strategy is. It directly helps those people, especially poorer people. It's very small scale. It has a direct impact on the local people, especially those people that may be living in Dharavi. And it is sustainable, which means that it meets the needs of people now without compromising their quality of life in the future. And often it involves non-government organisations, NGOs or charities. So that is what bottom up means. Now, on the negative side, bottom up is very small scale. We know this from when we looked at the biogas, so they're very similar things. So it's very small scale. It does not help the whole country develop overall. It does not, what else doesn't it do? It doesn't provide something for the whole of the country to grow economically. So it's very much a local thing. So it's good for local people, but not so good for the bigger development of the country. Now, the case studies that you'll need to make notes on are leprosy, education and community work. Now, they are on, I've got my textbook here, and I will put these on my Insta as well. I should have got this ready initially, but we're talking about page 108 to 109, and I'll put those notes on in a second. It's been very busy this morning, and you can make some notes on leprosy and how charities are helping people with leprosy in the Dharavi slums, how people are educating people in the slums about taking care of themselves, and also about community work that's done by the charity LSS to make sure that people stay healthy, even though they're living in a slum area with little access to clean water, etc. So you'll need to make some case study notes on that, because in the exam you might be asked to assess the impact of a bottom-up approach to sustainable cities. Now, just to go over what a sustainable city is, a sustainable city should have good transport links that people can afford. It should have good access to clean water, so people should not be getting cholera and diphtheria and things like that, and there should be enough water for people not just to be able to access it for like an hour in the morning. It should have good services, so health and education, and the housing should be affordable. So that is what a sustainable city is. Now, Mumbai doesn't really hit an awful lot of those things. Vision Mumbai might be improving certain things, but we looked at how it was really richer people looking to take that land. So some of this is successful on a very small scale, but mostly I would suggest that in an exam style question you're saying that actually smaller scale helps individual people, but it doesn't really help the city develop. Okay, so any questions, please either email me because I'm on my computer for a little while, or make some comments maybe on the video, or post some replies on the Insta account, and I'll get back to you. See you later.